Life isn't static. Environments change, and organisms adapt to survive. But how does this transformation happen? What are the basic mechanisms that allow life to evolve and thrive in a changing world?
Hello, senior high school learners! Welcome to an exciting journey in General Biology 2.
Why some people have curly hairs and some have straight hairs?
Why are there brown beetles and green beetles in nature?
And how did we humans come to look so different from our ancient ancestors?
All of these questions point to one big idea, the evolution. Today, we will explore the basic mechanisms of evolution, the forces that shapes life's diversity. Are you guys ready to learn? Let's begin! By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the basic mechanisms of evolution, the natural selection, mutation, genetic drift, and gene flow.
Describe how evolution affects the diversity of populations.
Appreciate the evolutionary forces that create variation in species.
Before we dive into mechanisms, let's first understand evolution itself. Evolution is defined as descent with modification. This means that species change over generations. Modern organisms is descended from their ancient ancestors.
It explains two important things. The similarities across all living things because they share common ancestry.
And the diversity of life, because populations adapt and change in different environments.
Remember, population evolve and individuals do not. Some single organisms cannot evolve during its lifetime, but a population can evolve as its gene pool changes over generation.
Let us start with mutation. Mutation is a change in DNA, the hereditary material of life. It can affect how an organism looks, behaves, or functions. Mutations are the ultimate source of genetic variation.
For example, a mutation can cause parents with bright green coloration to have offspring with brown coloration.
Mutation can be caused by errors when DNA copies itself or by external factors like chemicals or radiation. Some mutations don't matter, but others can cause big changes, like insects' resistance to pesticides.
Without variation, changes cannot happen. The three main sources are mutation, changes in DNA,
Movement of genes between population.
Sex. Genetic shuffling during reproduction.
This explains why siblings look different from each other and from their parents.
Gene flow happens when individuals or their gametes move from one population to another. For example, brown beetles joining a green beetle population increases variation.
This movement of genes helps prevent population from becoming too isolated. It spreads traits across groups and helps species adapt to new environment.
This is genetic gene. It is a change in gene frequency due to chance. It is powerful in small group.
There are two key examples, the bottleneck effect and the founder effect. The first one is the bottleneck effect. It is when a population sharply declines due to disasters like earthquake or epidemics, reducing genetic variation.
And the second is founder effect, when a new population starts from a few individuals, often lacking the variation of the original group.
Genetic drift is random. It doesn't depend on fitness. Sometimes, even beneficial traits can disappear by chance.
Finally, the most famous mechanism, natural selection. This occurs when traits that help organisms survive and reproduce become more common over time.
Darwin explained it simply.
individuals reproduce equally. Green beetles are easy to spot on and gets eaten by birds, while brown beetles usually survive more often.
Traits are inherited. The surviving brown beetles pass their coloration to their offspring.
End result, brown beetles became more common in the population.
This is how advantageous traits spread, leading to adaptation.
To wrap up, evolution happens through mutation, gene flow, genetic drift, and natural selection. These mechanisms explain why life is so diverse and why populations changes over generations. So next time, if you see differences in people, animals, or plants, remember, evolution is at work. That's all for today, learners. See you next time. Bye!